Congresswoman Lois Capps toured a construction site at the Marion Medical Center Hospital yesterday. The upgraded facility in Santa Maria will allow hospital staff to provide patients with higher quality care. The new hospital is set to open this winter, and it will include 188 beds. Congresswoman Capps says she's thrilled with what she saw.
The expansion of the facility at Marion Medical Center is a wonderful testament to the support of healthcare in the Santa Maria Valley by a wide coalition of people, patients, healthcare providers, and their families.
Yesterday was also the 8th annual Partners for the Environmental Fair at Marion Medical Center. The event was an opportunity for the hospital to introduce green products, local services, and lifestyle practices to employees and hospital visitors.